What is up, guys? Trainer Red back here with another video, and today I will be opening this time the Zapdos 10 I got again from Walmart. I love Walmart, and it was like 24 or 25 bucks, but I looked online at Target, and Target has these 10s for $20. So if you want to save a little bit of money, you can go with Target, you know, whatever's comfortable for you. We'll open this up and see what we get. Okay, after the struggle, this 10 is open, and we have Zapdos chasing Dugtrio. Seems to be from somewhere. They really kind of got him really angry. Again, Pokemon never fails to amuse me. Art's cool also. And as usual, you know, they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Crown Zenith packs. And that's it. That's all you get with that. Which is cool because the last two 10s, the Articuno and the Moltres, we got hits. And I pulled a $20 card out of those 10s. So I'm not really mad. I'm just kind of happy that it happened. And hopefully we could do this again. This is pack number 1 out of 5. Here's the code card. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. Full art, Duskull full art. You know, some of these cards, let's open up pack 2. Some of these cards are, I guarantee you, like, can be used like in a strategic way in like a battle, like a real TCG battle, and it actually help the person win like the match or whatever. Some of these low-end cards. So if you play the game, like really play the game online and stuff like that, and you're going to tournaments, you probably know a lot more about these cards than I do, especially the low-end ones. I'm just like really a collector right now because I love collecting cards. But, you know, to each his own. Okay, reverse hollow Nessa, we got that one. Okay, cool card. We are down to our last 2 packs. My loyal subscribers. Hopefully I can, if you're down, I can brighten up your day. If you're already happy, hopefully I can make your day even better with a nice pull. Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. All right. We are rolling. All right, last pack, guys. Last pack. So far, I ain't gonna lie, I am satisfied. And I hope you are too. Whoa. Again, we have another hit. Okay. These 10s are really doing me some justice here. Ain't gonna lie. That was the last pack, but I'm smiling from ear to ear, man. These are our hits today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. I'm trying to figure something out with my next giveaway, which will be soon. I might give away another pack of cards and a Funko Pop, because I collect those too. But thank you, and I really, really mean this. Thank you for coming through to the channel and subscribing and liking and commenting. You guys are the greatest, and I do this for you and the Pokemon community. Trainer Red, I'm out.